Welcome back everyone. If you are new on my YouTube channel NFT Insider, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So today we are checking about the new amazing project. Its name is Token Mythrander. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, let's start our video. You can check here some details about this project Token Mythrander on Medium platform. Token Mythrander real world product strengthening a blockchain ecosystem. So you can scroll down and check here some pictures about the Mythrander product. You can see here, you can see the presence of product linked to the Token Mythrander ecosystem on the shelves of health stores and supermarket across Argentina represent a strategic milestones of immense value for the entire project. Every unit displayed and sold in the physical market reinforces the credibility, real-world traceability, and economic sustainability of the tokenized system. You can see here is some details. Seeing these products on store shelves confirm that behind each token exists a tangible, verifiable asset actively circulating in the market, strengthening the trust of users, investors, and retail partners. Entry into the retail channel also increase brand visibility, expands markets reach, and contribute to the creation of hybrid economy where physical and retail assets coexist to generate real value. You can scroll down and check here some detail by integrating into everyday consumer markets. Token Mythrander demonstrates that tokenization applied to daily use goods is visible, scalable, and beneficial for both producers and consumers. You can check here ultimate every product on a store shelf sends a clear message. The ecosystem is growing, validating itself, and solidifying in the real world, creating a solid foundation for investors, confidence, and strategic growth. You can read carefully. You can see here more than 20 different products sourced from regional economies are being placed on the shelves of the major city. You can see here the detail, and you can see this more detail about the Token Mythrander. You can check here, be the first to hear about news stories from Token Mythrander SAS, so you can join the medium for get updates from Token Mythrander SAS sent right to your inbox. So you can create your account now. So you can create your account, then you can see here, you can see this project status report, the report, the environmental project Bosque methods aimed at the planting and preservation of native tree species includes a total of 25 trees planted for its first forest area. You can see here, so get Token Mythrander as a storage in your inbox, so you can enter your email, then you can subscribe now. It's here be noted that to date 17 specimens have been planted on the property assigned to the project located at location. You can see here the site. Among the trees planted, pyramidal poplars were included, strategically selected for their ability to provide shade and increase ambient humidity, thus creating a favorable microclimate for the subsequent incorporation of more sensitive native species. You can see here the see more detail. You can check here, you can see this article, so you can go to the further detail about this project. You can check here the introduction. You can see this is digital asset created for the tokenization of the Yerba Mat Premium membership produced by the Engerio SRL Foundation. This token aims to integrate the traditional agriculture industry with Web3 technologies by offering an innovative model for early financing, source traceability, and direct access to primary products via the blockchain. You can see here the first commercial chain of the Ategia token is being issued and managed in strategic partnership with Token Mythrander SAS, which specialize in the tokenization of real assets. 3,000 units of the first issue of this token will be sold. Number two, ownership and operation of the token. Token owner, operator, and distributor of the first 3,000 token chain code. You can see this, you can check here the ownership and detail. You can see this number three, token issuance and characteristics. Total tokens created amount, insurance unit, protocol type, the nature of the token, policy ID. You can see here number 4. Attigua token use cases. You can see this. So you can check here number 5. Project objectives, integrating the agriculture industry with the blockchain agriculture, enable producers to finance their businesses and sell their production in advance, giving consumers and investors direct access to premium startup products without cost rising intermediaries. You can see here the objectives, project objective number 6, strategic alliance. You can see here now, you can see this coding series number 1, number 7, transparency and editing, fixed and immutable view, no additional tokens can be issued outside of the original chain, publicly editable view, blockchain explorer. You can see here the blockchain explorer link. You can see here the conclusion about this project token method. You can see here, and next you can go to the further detail. Strategic importance of having distributors in the Partido de Panama for token Mithrander SAS. So you can see here detail. You can see this having our own distributors in the Partido de Panama, one of the most dynamic tourist and economics hub on the Buenos Aires. Altanic cost represent a key strategic step for token Mithrander SAS. Our presence in this region not only expands our commercial reach but also directly strengthens our productive, financial, and social ecosystem. You can see here Pinemer has a highly demanding market for healthy, organic, and high quality products, making it an ideal environment for distributing our range of goods for health food stores and related businesses, organic wines. You can see here the altar, so you can subscribe now, then you get the token method updates. In addition, our commercial activity in Panama includes the distribution of stationery items, medical supplies for hospitals and clinics, and other essential materials for the local community. This broad portfolio reinforces our role as a versatile company with a presence across diverse and vital supply chain. A key factor in our recent growth is that Token Mithrander SAS has been generating an average monthly revenue of USD 8,000 over the past few months. You can see here the article. You can see this. You can check here the more detail. You can see the decolonizing financial knowledge, adapting it to DeFi and blockchain. You can see here token Mithrander traditional financial education has historically been shaped by economic and academic power centers that reflect the logic of developed markets. While useful in certain contexts, this approach does not always address the social, economic, and cultural realities of countries in the global south. Decolonizing financial knowledge means questioning these hegemonic models, dismantling their illusory structures, and replacing them with tools that enable real and autonomous community participation. You can see here now in this press blockchain and decentralized finance provide a historic opportunity. They are open, transparent, and global design breaks away from traditional intermediaries, allows for more inclusive financial system in which people can access services without relying on central banks, large corporations, or regulations that fail to consider local needs. You can see here the article. You can see here the human team driving growth for Ategia Yerba Meta distributors supporting the token Mithrander ecosystem. You can see here, you can see this within token Mithrander SAS territorial expansion and sustained growth depend not only on technological innovation and corporate strategy but also on the human commitment that strengthens the company's presence across the country. In this context, for distributor for Atagia Yerba Meta, an essential product associated with token methoders, commercial and community network have become a fundamental pillar in the company's advancement throughout Argentina. So you can see here these words can not only collaborate in the distribution of Atagia but also serve as local ambassador of the Mathanda ecosystem, contributing to community building, project outreach, and expansion of the brand's territorial influence. You can see here the article. You can see this. You can see here the further detail. You can check here now. You can see this token Mithrander page. You can see here the home products opinion. You can see here the white paper. So you can click here and see this Token Method Render white paper. PDF is almost open now. So guys, you read carefully detail about this project Token Method Render. So guys, our website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel